Bob Marley's quote resonates deeply, urging us to intertwine our passions with our actions. A sonic messenger of love and freedom, Marley's legacy transcends music, urging us to reflect on our inner and outer worlds. His exhortation serves as a reminder that aligning our pursuits with our inherent desires paves the way toward true fulfillment. The evocative phrase, "Love the life you live," prompts us to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. It invites a moment of reflection, urging us to acknowledge the beauty encapsulated in our present circumstances. In a world riddled with distractions and challenges, finding joy in the ordinary becomes a radical act. By embracing our current experiences, we open our hearts and minds to the myriad opportunities that life presents, viewing adversity as a stepping stone rather than an obstacle. Conversely, "Live the life you love" calls for curated intentionality. This directive emphasizes that our life trajectory should mirror our core values and passions. It's a passionate plea to morph our aspirations into reality, to chase dreams fervently, and create a life that feels vibrant and authentic. Every choice becomes crucial, sculpting our reality according to who we truly are. Living authentically requires effort, but the rewards are immeasurable, as this pursuit leads us toward paths that resonate deeply with our spirits. Both elements of the quote create a rich tapestry of wisdom, encouraging us to embrace the present while simultaneously forging ahead toward our dreams. This duality enriches our lives with purpose, fostering an environment where personal happiness flourishes alongside a sense of belonging. Marley's words ignite a spark within us, pushing us to uncover our deepest desires while nurturing a profound appreciation for our current existence. Ultimately, Marley's philosophy shapes a holistic approach to life, blending acceptance and aspirations seamlessly. It implores us to navigate life's journey with love and gratitude, reminding us that every moment is a chance to rewrite our narrative. By embracing the fullness of our experiences and courageously pursuing our dreams, we step into a life imbued with meaning, joy, and a sense of unwavering freedom. In embracing this wisdom, we not only enhance our own lives but contribute positively to the broader tapestry of human experience, echoing Marley's enduring legacy.